Hey guys, it's me, Grace, with ChinesePod, and we are going to explore our dictionary. Go to the website, and then you're going to look on the left side. On that column, you're gonna see dictionary, so find that and click it. After that, I'm going to put in the word that is always on my mind, this topic of food. So let's type in food, and there we have it. It says Cai. So it's just like a normal dictionary where it's gonna translate it for you, has the character and the pinyin. But the juicy part, the fun ChinesePod part, is when you scroll down and you see the sample sentences. So scroll down and see these sample sentences. Now, they are gonna use these in sentence form. For me, that's very helpful because sometimes just seeing the word doesn't, help you get really rich and deep in there. But the extra part is that you can go to the lesson where they're using this actual sentence and this word that you're looking for in a dialogue. So that's like real time. You can hear people, see people say this word and talk it out with someone. So you are able to download these anytime so you can listen to it over and over again to practice. Enjoy! 再见!